May kembot ako. Kilalanin natin si Dr. Pio Valenzuela not by reading his Wikipedia page but by visiting the Dr. Pio Valenzuela Museum sa saan pa, di sa Valenzuela. Nakakahiyaman aminin, sa Valenzuela ako pinanganak but I don't know much about Dr. Pio. I am Mona Magdo Veluz, I hunt down ancestors and chase fascinating stories in Philippine history. Ang museo ni Dr. Pio Valenzuela ay nasa lupa kung saan nakatayo ang pre-war na bahay ng pamilya Valenzuela. Dito mismo ipinanganak si Pio kina Francisco Valenzuela at Lorenza Alejandrino. Yung tatay ni Pio, dating Gobernador Silio at Kapitan Mayor ng Polo. Speaking of pamilya, kapag pumasok kayo sa function room sa ground floor, may malaking photo ni Dr. Pio, yung misis niya, at ang napakarami nilang mga anak at mga apo. Nagkataon nung andun ako, naroon din si Ambassador Oscar Valenzuela with his balikbayan grandchildren and he even pointed out he was one of the toddlers in that photo. Incidentally, Dr. Pio's daughter Rosa is the maternal grandmother of incumbent Congressman Roman Romulo of Pasig, making him Pio Valenzuela's great-grandson. Ang unang artifact na makikita natin ay ang white outfit at baston ni Dr. Pio. Dahil nga doktor siya, nakasanayan na niyang palaging nakaputi. Sayang lang walang natira sa mga bow ties niya. Trademark yun ni Dr. Valenzuela. The dioramas on the life of Dr. Pio as a revolutionary can also be found on the ground floor. Meron ding display ng mga luma niyang medical tools. Another interesting detail, sa gitna ng sahig, may lumang balon na galing pa sa original na bahay. Guide namin si Jonathan Balsamo, the curator of the museum, and I asked him kung friends si Dr. Pio at Dr. Jose Rizal. Kasi Dr. Pio is known for that visit to Dapitan in 1896 to consult with Rizal about the revolution. May sculpture pa nga silang dalawa sa Dapitan. Ang sagot, hindi. Mas bata si Valenzuela who was born in 1869. Si Rizal was born in 1861. Hindi na sila nag-abot sa UST. Para makausap niya si Rizal, nagdala si Dr. Pio ng pasyente para sa chuchu na consultation dahil hindi sila old friends ni Rizal. Valenzuela was arrested by the Spanish for being a katipunero and sentenced to life imprisonment. Pero dahil prinsipalya ang pamilya niya, Pio stayed for 3 years in prisons in Barcelona, Madrid, Malaga, and Melilla. Shala. He was a prisoner but he also served as a prison doctor. Sinulit siya. He was repatriated after the Treaty of Paris. Sa second floor ng bahay, maraming mga remnants of the amazing life of Dr. Pio Valenzuela as a student, a family man, a katipunero, and a public servant. Yes, nagpolitiko din po siya. Valenzuela served as the municipal president of Polo from 1899 to 1901. He served as the governor of Bulacan from 1921 to 1925. Visit the museum for yourself to see his documents, books, photos, and personal artifacts, and to listen to the stories of why he is an underrated patriot. After my visit to the museum, pumunta rin ako sa Polo Catholic Cemetery to visit the resting place of Dr. Pio and Doña Marciana Valenzuela to thank them for their sacrifice and to pray for them. Sa paghahanap natin ng pag-unawa sa kabayanihan ng mga nauna, hindi lang dapat magbasa. Kailangan marinig ang kwento at mapuntahan kung saan sila nabuhay at namatay para lumalim ang pag-intindi sa mga pinamana nila sa atin. O, di ba?
Meow meow.